የቴክኖሎጂውን ዓለምና የሲሊኮን ቫሊ ሰዎች ያስደነገጠው የዲፕሲክ ብቃት ብቻ አልነበረም። ድንጋጤውን የፈጠረው ዲፕሲክ እንዴት ይህን ሁሉ እንዳሳካ በሰሙበት ወቅት ነበረ።
And what's extraordinary is its apparent quality and low cost, and of course its seeming appearance out of nowhere.
ዲፕሲክ የመጨረሻ ሞዴሉን ለማሰልጠን ያወጣው ወጪ በግምት $5.6 ሚሊዮን አካባቢ መሆኑን ገልጿል። ይህ ቁጥር በወቅቱ ብዙዎች እጃቸውን በአፋቸው እንዲጭኑ አስገድዷል። ምክንያቱም ይህ ገንዘብ በሳን ፍራንሲስኮ ውስጥ ጥሩ የመኖሪያ ቤት ለመግዛት ከሚያስፈልገው ወጪ ጋር የሚነጻጸር ነበር።
DeepSeek revealed it was able to build this model and train it at just a fraction of the cost. Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei predicted that it will eventually cost $100 billion to train models compared to $100 million today.
DeepSeek, we're told this happened with $6 million in funding. Is that possible? Is that true?
They said this one individual training run was $6 million.
The fact that DeepSeek was able to do this really raises the question, what have these companies been spending billions of